Here I have Samsung Galaxy F13, and today I'm going to show you how to remove screen lock from this device in case if you set yourself PIN, pattern or password and unfortunately forget it and can't even unlock your device right now. So firstly, what you have to do is to connect your device to the USB cable, which is connected to the computer. So basically you just have to connect your device to computer. Then you have to turn it off, but as you can see you can't do this until you enter your PIN code. So to turn your device off, what we have to do next? Firstly, you have to hold down power key plus volume down for about 5 or 7 seconds, and after that your device will be forcefully turned off. But then, like the same second as the screen goes dark, you have to release both keys and then quickly press power key and volume up. Like you have to do this with the speed of light. I'll show you. I hope it will work this time. So let's get it. Power key, volume down, and then quickly we release both keys and hold down power key and volume up like this. Then when Samsung logo appears on the screen, you can release power key and keep holding only volume up. Then this kind of a menu appears. Android recovery. Here in this mode you use volume keys to navigate and power key to select, and you have to select an option wipe data factory reset, then select factory data reset, and after that all of the data from your device will be wiped. And when you see the message data wipe complete, you just select the first option reboot system now, and your device will be restarted in about a minute or two or more depending on its condition. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.